You remember Bill Elder's K convertible? Well, here we are in July of 2021. I'm just now getting it on the road for the season. Those are Ed and Angie's wheels and tires that are generally on that car. I have just put some fuel in it, checked the fluid levels, going to check the transmission level, and take her for a ride. After all, this is a convertible type day. For the cam it's got in here, that is one impressive idol. And what's also very impressive about this car, we're looking at a restoration that was done in 1989. Okay, these things are reliable as dirt. Let's go for a ride. Central New York. Sunday morning, look at the traffic. Nothing. Great place to live when it's not raining. Impressed how cool this car runs. I think the speedometer reads low, probably because of the 15-inch tires that I have on it. Starting to get humid, so time to put this one away, do something useful with the day. Although I gotta tell you, I should do this more often. Last year we put 50 miles on this car. Life in a small town. On Sundays, they get out the fire trucks just to wash them.